A will does not avoid the probate process. All a will does is outline how you want your assets to be distributed. It will still have to go through probate, which can take 1.5 to 2 years depending on the complexity of your estate. And because you're going through the probate courts, you generally are going to have to hire a probate attorney to help you with that probate process, which can cost you anywhere from $5,000 to $15,000. Again, depending on the complexity of your estate, the experience of your attorney, and where you're located. If you want to avoid the probate process, you have a couple of options. The first one is property. You can do joint tenants or rights of survivorship, co-own it with someone. When you pass away, your portion of the property will automatically pass down to them. You could do transfer on death deed. You maintain full ownership while you're alive. You name a designated beneficiary. The property passes down to them when you pass away. For your financial accounts, things like checking, savings, investment accounts, etc., you could co-own that with your spouse, or you could name them or your other family members like your kids as designated beneficiaries. With your retirement accounts, you have to keep it inside of your name, and then you can name your family or the trust as a designated beneficiary. Same thing with life insurance, you'd have to name someone as a designated beneficiary. If you want to consider all of your assets together and you want to control how they are being distributed instead of doing a lump sum distribution, as an example to your kids, you could put all of your assets inside of a revocable trust or name the revocable trust as a designated beneficiary, as an example for your retirement accounts. That way, when you have all of these assets inside the revocable trust, you are alive, you can be the trustee and maintain full control over those assets. When you pass away, your backup trustee will step into your role as trustee and then will take over management of those assets and then distribute those assets out per the guidelines in your trust document. If you want help setting any of this up, click the link in the bio, fill out the form, and schedule a time to talk some more.